Yes, good afternoon all. I was going to do a reading on Bhairav and see what happens with this very, one would say fierce looking imagery that is called Bhairav. Okay, so let's get started with this reading. Okay, so he is this energy, hard to say here, is a man. Well, sounds like it is a male type of energy that does not mess around, okay, with this energy of Bhairava. Comes like a lightning bolt. Okay, Bhairava comes that way like a lightning bolt that comes in and shakes things up, or shakes the energy up, and like wake up, don't sleep anymore, wake up, don't sleep anymore. And so run from this ego, run from Bhairava. He will tear ego apart, basically, Bhairava. Okay, don't mind does not have any chance against Bhairav. Okay, no chance if one is truly sincere in sitting by this soul, or this soul energy. Okay, sitting by it, making yourself available to it in sincerity, then mind has no chance. Mind has no chance. Okay, it will let come these powers. It will let come these powers of source that are poured from the vastness into the spirit, like water that drifts from source, like water drifting down that does not have an intention or a motive or a person in it. Okay, it just drifts down into the soul to let the soul become its source. Let the soul become its source, like a wax over fire that melts, like wax over fire melts into its source. Okay, it will drip away and leave its source. Okay, and this energy, Bhairava, loves to be with your mind in it. Okay, it loves to be with your mind in it, like one would be in a place of depth. Okay, in a place of depth, not outside of life. Okay, not outside of truth. Okay, it likes that. This Bhairav energy loves that, because then it can really get in and direct the mind in right courses and right avenues to come to the place of no resistance. Okay, come to the place of no resistance, and there it will flow into the source, or the mind, or the ocean, okay, of consciousness. Okay, there it will flow. There it will flow. Bhairava. Okay. Plays in your mind as thought. Okay, placing your mind as thought and is not to be thought, not to be cling to there. Okay, it will play in your mind. Okay, so that's be Shakti. Okay, it's energy. It's the same in its way. It will play there, and if you attach to it, it will play more there. And if you attach to that, it will play more. Okay, it will keep playing there without an end until you come to your wake up point, okay? Till you're tired of that playing, and you come to that point where you say, no more of this, for it harms me. It takes my reality away and brings it to be into this space where I have no control, where it drifts into these other lands and places and visions and areas that have not brought peace to me, for I am suffering. I suffer. So then you say no more, and you find your voice in there that speaks no more, that speaks it, and then you come to your heart. You say, please God, take this suffering away. Take it away, because I cannot really feel right this way, that when I am lost this way in Maya. So please God, take this suffering away. And then you bow low. Okay, I can see a prostration in my mind, like you bow low and you say, please Lord, take this suffering away. Okay, then Bhairava can come like a friend, though you may not feel that way about it. You're gonna be kicking and screaming, okay, like what's changing here in my ego? I know not what's happening. Okay, this we call then opening awareness. Kali, okay, Kali, come that way, like I know not what's happening, these changes scary to me. Okay, because they're not familiar, so you run, don't run was what Bhairav's saying, don't run and stay present to my energy, for it is friend to those that love truth. It's friend to those men, women that love truth, okay, above all things. Anything else? Let's see. Who loves me? It's Bhairava says. Who loves me? Bhairava says. What seeker loves me? What seeker loves me? These people love me because I am not so much of what egos say. I am not those things. I am waters clear and beautiful. I am boundless oceans. I am majestic mountains. I am moonrise and set. I am light. I am blessings free and full. I wander in the hills at night, on the mountains that sing of Christ. I wander there. I flow in rivers down the mountain passageways to the other waters that are my same soul. I frequent high places and low places. I frequent all that is thought of and wondered about. I have no distinction where I live. My home is God's heart of life. This is where I live, and so this is where I am, in all places at once and nowhere at all. Bhairava. Bhairava. Okay, so it feels like this is ending, and thank you for tuning in. Namaste. Bye-bye.